Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. If you don't celebrate Christmas, I hope you had a wonderful break. Today we will be doing something a little bit different again. It's not gonna be gaming related. Today we're actually going to be coding a little bit because with quarantine I got bored, so I started learning how to code. And if you have the time and patience, it's something that is really nice. So today, we're going to start a mini series about 5 episodes, 5 videos of coding. We will be coding our own Discord bot for Discord using node.js, which is a variant of JavaScript. So, with that being said, let's get right into the video. So, to get started, we're gonna need a couple of things. We are going to need, first thing first, either terminal or command prompt. Now, as you probably know, I'm a Mac user, so I'm using a terminal. Terminal is just terminal. If you're a Windows user, you will have command prompt, not terminal, but it doesn't matter which one you've got. If you have those, good. We're gonna need also something else. We're gonna need a coding software. Now, my two recommendations are either Atom or Visual Studio Code. Today we'll be using Visual Studio Code because it's a bit easier to use. Visual Studio Code, not Visual Studio. Now make sure you don't use Visual Studio, it's Visual Studio Code. Today we will be using that one. If you want to use Atom, it's okay. It's just that the reason I'm not using Atom is because it doesn't have a built-in console. You're gonna need to download it from an extension. So, when you have all of those, let's get started with the actual video. Now, in your desktop, well, I'm doing it in my desktop. If you want, you can do it in your documents, wherever you want. In my desktop, I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm gonna call it Discord bot. This will be our main folder with everything in it. Now, just make sure that there are no spaces between the words, because that won't be accepted later on in the video. Now, we have created the folder. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna open up our terminal, and this is what we're gonna do. So we're gonna type cd, which basically moves the terminal path. We're gonna type cd desktop, because that's where the folder is located, and you'll see this has changed to desktop. And then we're gonna type cd again, and then Discord bot, which is the name of the folder, and it has changed into Discord bot. Like I type clear to make it clean, to clean up the terminal if you want. Now, we're in our Discord bot folder, which means that everything we do inside terminal won't be executed in our home folder, but will be executed in our Discord bot folder. We're gonna type a couple of things. We're gonna type, first of all, npm init, which will start up this process. Now, package name, Discord bot, it's what you want to call it. I'll just leave it like that. Version, press enter, leave that. Description, like it's optional. You can put Discord bot or whatever you want. It's not required though. Entry point. Now, we're going to have a main file in our folder where basically it's like the headquarters of the bot. That file will either be called, it's up to you, you can call it main.js, discord.js, index.js. Now, whatever you call it, make sure that you change it here. I'll show you later how you can change this as well. Usually it's index.js. For this tutorial, so we'll be calling it main.js because it doesn't matter. Just make sure you add JS at the end. Test command, I'll leave that. Get repository, leave that as well. Keywords, leave that. Author, you can put, I don't know, like your Discord username. Like nobody will be seeing this because it's in your files. You can put if you want your Discord username, but it's not required. License, leave that. This double check that everything is correct here. And the type yes. So now, if we actually go ahead and close this and we open our Discord bot, a package.json file has appeared here, which is good. Now we're gonna do something. We're gonna do also something else. So we're gonna clear our terminal, and we're gonna type npm I discord.js, which will install another package. It will look like this. It will install another package. It's very quickly. It does it super quickly in 3 seconds basically, and it's done already. Now with our terminal right now, we are more or less done, because if we open our folder, another two other things have appeared. The package lock, don't touch this, and node modules, which again, like, don't touch this, it's fine. Now here is where we actually start coding. Open whatever text editor or coder you have. I'll be using wait, what? Where is it? Ah, here. I'll be using Visual Studio Code today. Yeah, sorry about that. If you have just downloaded it, it will look like this. If you already have it and you have an ongoing project, just go to your file, click on your window, and that's do it. Now, it's either gonna look like this or a welcome page or whatever it's gonna look like. At the top left, there's this icon here, Explorer. Click on it, and something like this will open up. Now click Open Folder, and here navigate to your desktop and select your folder. Now ours is Discord bot. Select whichever folder you have. If you have it in documents, for example, go in documents, like, you know, open, and it should do this. Yes. Again, we have welcome. We have 3 files, 3 directories. Create a new file, which we called it, I think, main.js, so we're gonna be calling this main.js. If, for example, right now it's main.js because here it is, yeah, now here it's main.js. If for some reason later you wanna rename it, for example, if we wanna rename it to discord.js, just make sure that you go into your package.json and change this from main to discord. This is very important, otherwise your bot will not launch. Make sure you change it. Yeah, we can keep it discord.js, it doesn't matter. Now, here is where we actually get coding. So, we're gonna type const discord equals require discord. Sorry, I can't really type today, like always. Discord.js. Add this, which changes, yeah, add that. Then type again const client equals new discord, yeah, discord.client. A cool thing about Visual Studio Code is that it fills up your code for you. For example, if you're typing client, it will automatically, like, detect it. Client, then make this brackets, and do that again. Now, this is, we're actually basically almost done with our coding part. The last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do a client.login, which we'll go over later, and that's actually it, I think, for coding. Well, we can technically add this as well. We can add a client.once, and then we're gonna do ready, and then we're gonna do outside of the quotation marks, comma. We're gonna do this and well, the brackets, and then we're gonna do an arrow function, which is done by doing the equals and this sign here, which is gonna create an arrow function. It should change color if you're using Visual Studio Code. Then open these brackets, the wavy ones, I forgot what they're called, and it's gonna do something like this. And here type console.log, and here we, for example, here we can put what our bot will be called. For example, our bot will be called the test bot, so we can put something like the test bot is now online, something like this. You will see what this does later. So with coding, we're actually almost done. Yeah, we can do that. Now we actually need to go into our web browser. I use Opera GX. You can use Chrome, Safari, Firefox, whatever you're using is fine. Now, open a new tab if my browser loads. Yeah, I think, yeah, very slowly. For some reason it's very slow. Open a new tab and go to discord.com/developers /applications, so it does it automatically. Now, I'm already logged in into my account. If you're not logged in, well, then log in, obviously. Here, what we're gonna do is we're going to click on new application. Again, here we will call it what do you want our Discord bot to be called. We'll just call I'll just call mine. Wait, what did they put here? Test bot. Okay, we'll call it test bot then. Test bot. Now, for now we can leave this. Right now it's not a big of a problem. We head over to bot and click on add bot, and then click on yes to it. This is just telling you that, like, if you choose to create a bot, you cannot delete it anymore. Like, it's permanent. Click on yes to it. Then we're gonna need to change this. Wait, we can call this Snowy's test bot. Well, I mean, like, this shouldn't be a problem. Add bot again, yes to it. And if it works, yeah, it's gonna be something like this. Now, here is your token. Keep your token a secret. I'll be showing it for this video because, like, I won't be using this bot. I'll be using this purely for the tutorials. But if you're creating your own Discord bot, do not show your token because it's technically a secret. Click on copy it. Don't click on regenerate. Click on copy. And then paste it in like this, and it's gonna paste in your token. Paste it between the quotation marks like this, and this should technically be everything. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna head over to this tick bot. Now, here you can either do administrator, which automatically ticks includes all of them. Or if you want to take out a few, you can, I don't know, take the ones you want and leave some out. I'll just be doing administrator for this video. Click on administrator, click here on the link, copy, paste it in your web browser, and it's gonna do something like this. So it's test bot, yeah, connect it. We'll be inviting this to my server, because why not? Continue. Administrator again, because we chose to give it the administrator permission. Authorize. Now, yes, I'm a human. It might ask me. No, that is it, I think. Yes. So now we open our Discord. Sorry, not this one. We open our Discord. I'll be using development, not Canary. You can use, of course, like whichever one you want. You can use this standard Discord. That really doesn't matter. We wait for it to load up. Yeah, that's. Oh yes, I know. Let me just put do not disturb. We go here to my server, and as you can see, yeah, the bot joined the server because it joined the server. Then what we're gonna do is, well, like, you can leave your browser open, but we won't be needing it anymore. If you're a Mac, no, it actually, I don't think it matters if you're a Mac or Windows. On Mac, it is Control and this key, and to bring up the terminal inside Visual Studio Code. If you can't bring it up for some reason, just go to terminal and click on new terminal, and yeah, it's gonna bring up terminal. So now what we're gonna do is we can either do two things. We can either do node space dot, which will launch the bot. If this for some reason doesn't work, then instead of dot, replace the dot with your main file name. So here's gonna be discord.js, and here, as you can see, we told it that when the bot goes online, it will put a message in the console saying test bot is now online. which is what happened. And if we go here into our member list, we can see that our test bot is online. Now, right now, it cannot do anything. It can't ban, it can't kick, it can't mute, it can't do anything, because this code is purely for making it go online and nothing else. If you like this video, I'll make a sequel on some commands, some easy commands, and then I might get into like kick and ban, these more complex commands. But yeah, guys, I hope that has helped you. If it did, make sure to let me know. If for some reason there is something that is not working out for you, or you simply have a question, feel free to let me know in the comments down below, or you can also DM me in Discord. Also, make sure to join these Discord servers, these awesome Discord servers, where you'll be able to chat with me and with other friendly people. And yeah, guys, that'll be it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.